In this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max correctly. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option of charging your iPhone correctly to maintain its battery health. So first, always use the right charging accessories. If you want to have the best experience possible, always use certified Apple accessories. They can be more expensive than other options in the market. However, this is always going to be the best, safest, and most reliable way to charge your iPhone. So go over to their official website and browse through the charging accessories, such as their USB-C power adapters and the USB-C to USB-C cable that comes with your iPhone 15 Pro Max or any other model. These are designed to provide optimal and safe charging speeds, so as long as you are using them, you are basically good to go. If you opt for a third-party charger, ensure that it is MFI, so made for iPhone certified. This certification is given by Apple and it guarantees that the accessory has been tested and meets Apple's safety and performance standards. For the charging method, wired charging via power outlet. So all that you have to do is to connect the proper cable depending on your model. So for example, USB-C to USB-C to your iPhone 15 Pro Max's port, and then the other end goes into the power adapter or the power brick. Then you plug this power adapter to a wall outlet. If you are using wireless charging, you will need a base, and usually it is going to be the MagSafe charger base. So it has a built-in magnetic array that allows you to magnetically attach to MagSafe chargers. This is also safe to use, and all that you would have to do in this instance is to place the iPhone here. And once it is on this stand, it is going to begin charging. For the best practices, always consider the 80% limit. If you often keep your phone plugged in, you can choose the 80% limit in the settings, battery health and charging, and then charging optimization. This will prevent your iPhone from charging beyond 80%, which can help maintain longevity and battery health. Avoid extreme temperatures, and remember that partial charges are best. Lithium-ion batteries, like the one in your iPhone, benefit from partial charge cycles. So instead of frequently fully charging and fully discharging your phone, try to keep the battery level between 20, and 80% as much as possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to charge iPhone 15 Pro Max correctly. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.